Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add delivery instructions on your FedEx shipment. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FedEx application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into your homepage, from which you can start making a shipment by tapping on the menu icon at the top left corner and then by tapping on Ship. This will now take you into the browser page for FedEx, from which you can start making your shipment. You will simply need to enter your name, your address, your postal code, your city, as well as your other contact details. After proceeding forward with these details, you will need to enter the address where you want this to be delivered. And after entering this address, you will see the delivery instructions box where you can type in your desired instructions before proceeding forward to checkout. After entering your instructions, proceed forward and pay for your checkout, and your instructions will be added and forwarded to the delivery associate right away. And there you have it. That is how you can add delivery instructions on FedEx. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.